Hi friends, so I am recording with my phone right now because my camera died, and I just wanted to quickly come on here. The lighting is going down. It's end of the day and it's getting gloomy. Actually, we're supposed to have some storms here very soon. So I just thought I'd come quickly on here and share with you guys my Walmart beauty box. This is the spring edition. And I've had this for some time and I peeked in it and everything and I just did not share it. So I thought I would quickly come on here today and share it with you guys. And it does come with a little card that has all of the information. And I noticed in the last few boxes that they have stuff on the card that I didn't get or I haven't seen other people get. So I don't know if these are just different variations or if everybody gets the same thing. I'm not 100% sure. But hopefully I can find the products on here that I got. So let's just go ahead and pull out. The first thing I see is a CoverGirl Clean Fresh Weightless Water Cream Sample, 72-hour hydration right there. This product I see in here is from Lottie London. This is the Slay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Hey Bay. And that is what it looks like. I do have a Lottie London lippy and I really do like it. This one I didn't tell you, but for the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Water Cream, it says for a full size, which is 2 fluid ounces, it says it retails for $14.98. It's oil-free and formulated for all skin types. This weightless, breathable face moisturizer and primer, and one is supercharged with electrolyte rich true clean cactus water hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture for 72 hours. The Lottie London, it's not even on here. They have a Lottie London brow pencil, but I don't see the Lottie London lippy, so I'm assuming they ran out of it and just gave the lippy. I'm not sure. And then the next item is a Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. They put these in the box a lot. This is one sample in Golden Cherry right there. And it says here that in the full size for 6 counts, it's $8.98. Get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. I think I've tried one of these before and they are not bad. Next thing I see in here is the True Skin Vitamin C Facial Serum with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. It's a 0.5 fluid ounce right there. It says the full size is a 1 fluid ounce, of an ounce more than this. And it retails for $19.99. Let me show you what it looks like. It is sealed. That is what it looks like right there. It looks like a really thick consistency. I have enough skincare currently at the moment, so I don't think that I will be giving this a try. And then the next products are from Garnier. And these are the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner in the travel size. The full size is a 33.8 ounce each, and they retail for $7. And I have tried this shampoo and conditioner right there. They are good shampoo and conditioners. I really do enjoy them. And then the last product in this box is from Found. This is a brand that I have seen at Dollar Tree. They have a lot of their masks and things like that there. And I don't see this on the paper. So this must be another item that they just threw in because it's not even on here. This is a Found Firming Argan Sheet Mask. It says it has firms and smooths for a more youthful look complexion. It has Morocco argan oil, and it is a 1 single sheet mask right there. Got basically 1 full-sized item, and the rest are pretty much like samples or deluxe sample size items. So I think with this box, I don't need any of these products, and so I think I'm going to go ahead and just do a giveaway with this box, and I'll probably add a few more things to it like I always do. But if you want to be entered for this Walmart box giveaway, just down below, tell me what product in this box that you would want to try the most. Leave the word Walmart in there and then leave the comment that I'm asking. You'll get everything that was in this box. And like I said, I'll probably add a few more things to it as well. If you guys would like to be entered for that, definitely don't forget down below. Over 18, it's going to be US only. And make sure you leave the comment and the word that I asked, and make sure you're subscribed. Make sure I can view your page and everything. So give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. So guys, this is everything that I got in the Walmart spring box. Definitely an okay box. A great way to try some products. You kind of got a variety. But it's definitely a lot more products that I don't currently need. I just have too much in my collection at the time. So I just thought, why not go ahead and do a giveaway with this box. So good luck to everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know if you get the Walmart box down below, what you got, if we were box twins, or if you got something different. I'd love to hear that from you guys. So friends, this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.